presenting the 2016 Chevrolet Equinox. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: backup camera, electronic compass, external temperature, hands-free Bluetooth, heated driver's seat, heated passenger seat, HomeLink systems, leather steering wheel, navigation system, and OnStar. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.